All right, we are here in the Superstition Mountains, hiking on a beautiful Saturday, January day, right outside of Phoenix, actually. It's like 80 degrees. This is amazing. And we're gonna go see some ancient Indian art called petroglyphs. I guess it was from a tribe right around year 500 to 1000, something like that. But anyways, really excited about this. I got my beautiful wife with me. Say hi, Rebecca.
Hi.
She's been here before, I haven't. All right, I think we're almost there. It's been about maybe a mile and a half. Very easy trail. Very cool too. And we're like, you have to go into the mountains basically. The Indians definitely picked a very cool place to live. It's kind of a situation where you just like, you know, explore and, you know, see where they wrote stuff. It's really cool. It's all over the floors, all over the walls. So there's kind of like a little bit of everything. You see a lot of dogs, cats, people, horses, a whole lot of cool stuff in some of this art. Really cool. I don't know what that is. I think that might be a goat right there. But really fascinating. Oh, there's a little dog. I don't know what this is, but it's cool. Alright, so that was a lot of fun. The hike is very easy. Anybody could do it. Kids, mom, dad, grandma. You could even bring dogs too, which is really cool. Anyways, it was a lot of fun. The Indian art was really fascinating, and I would totally come back. Becca, you'd come back, right? You've already been back.